Check out Pennywise. It says do not touch because he don't play. That's the golden, ultra rare Pennywise. And we're gonna hit a Spirit Halloween right now. Here we go. Yeah, what's all that? Well, this seems to be more gushier. Bacon, dog food. Eat it. I hadn't seen these. I'm gonna have to, oh shit. I gotta go get my wallet. I gotta get these. These are cool. Anyways, this is Evelyn. I haven't seen her. I've seen videos on her. She looks cool. I wish her eyes open. You know, maybe like his light up and hers eyes, like her eyes would open and close. And really want to go full effect, maybe like how water trickling, just like a little water pump. It's really cool. I've never seen her yet. And then we got the Big Reaper here. I dig him. I like that one. I don't remember seeing this knife. This is the first time I've seen this knife. It's made out of wood. It's pretty nice, heavy duty. He's not doing nothing. He's doing something, but he's not singing. Let's see if he does it for him. Too funny. All right, but check this out, man. These are new. I hadn't seen these yet. Look at that. And they're $34.99, folks. It says try me button. Also, it's a light on the base, so they light up. Okay, so there you go. You turn on the switch and they light up. That's pretty groovy, man. I like that. All right, let me be courteous and not waste our batteries. Really cool.
Okay, so you have a fire extinguisher there.
Oh, and I bought lots of these last year from clearance. I got quite a bit. I gotta start setting up my hunt this year. He's pretty cool. Never seen that one. And I haven't seen this one, but I'm not too much into that. And we got some skeleton dudes.
Yet another creature of the night.
He's funny. Uh-oh. I see a lot of new zombie babies. Uh-oh, hold on. Let's go to the pornographic chick here.
No! Help me! No!
She's saying nards or nuts. Either way, this chick is having an orgasm. Watch this. Nards.
Please help me! Please help me! No!
Yeah, she's having an orgasm. Or she's saying harder, one of the two. Alright, so we got this. We got these guys. I think this is a new version. The other one had those arrows coming out of them. Some of these I hadn't seen. Let's see if any of these are working.
Hey, you look familiar.
Yeah, it's Brian from Spooky Ladies.
Because I've been hiding under
You better not have been hiding under my bed.
You look familiar.
Yeah, I got the same saying. I'm assuming that he does the same too, right? That's the universal. Too funny. We have some new zombie babies here I have not seen as of yet. This one is cool. She got little roaches on her. What is her name? This is Ravenous Ruby. I like those eyes. Those are really neat. Y'all see that? And she got like little baby roaches on her. He's old school. And then they have the dolls here, but they don't have the crouchy one. I wanted to pick that one up. Uh-oh, this is my daughter when she gets mad. This is kind of weird looking. I'm not digging this on her head. She looks wrong. This is Mischievous Mandy. Probably one of the weaker zombie babies I've seen throughout the years. You see that? Those eyes are terrifying. This store rocks, man. It has a great feel. Okay, no props. So that means Brian Spooklator's got to get up on here and act like an animated prop. Iron Maiden? I don't remember seeing that one. Well, look who we have here. Oh my goodness. Ophelia.
Your waking nightmare is just beginning. Your terror only makes me stronger. Wherever you go, whatever you do, I'll be right there with you. You can't escape. You can never, ever escape.
This is the one I've been wanting to see. Hit the sensor. You see her eyes? We got a buzzsaw. He's so cool. Garbomatic just keeps making
You
pumpkins.
ever have an itch that you just can't scratch? Here, let me help you with that.
We can have a Halloween party. Bought these from Spirit on clearance last year. All these gate fences, things. They're pretty cool, man, but they're really cheap. I don't think they're gonna last this Texas heat, man, at all, literally, because they feel like they're already melting. Just trying to get them in the ground. But I got Barry up there. We got the tire swinging zombie boy up there. So I'm just gonna leave those as static props because they don't work no more. But Barry, he works, so if it rains, I'll take him down. And then the zombie swinging girl, she's up here still. Or she's up here, just chilling. We got a witch up there. And then we got homeboy. He still works, but he's all jacked up sounding. So he's just gonna end up being a static prop too. And then I put a whole bunch of little things right here, little bones. Now none of this is actually gonna officially stay like this, I don't think. I'm just kind of getting some stuff up just so I can get, people can see the Halloween stuff. Because I have a whole bunch of new animatronics, as you can see, Buzzsaw in there, but he won't come out until they do the Halloween contest that they do here. I wish I had a bigger yard, because here in Texas, and they give us small yards. But it is what it is, Then I put some stuff there, and I got Randall there. I don't care if he gets room. And then we got my flying ghost right there. Ooh. I had to shit rig him. Then we got these old Spirit props. They lasted a long time because they're hard plastic. But yeah, I'm pretty much gonna go bloody and gory like that. Oh, look at that witch. She's tripping. Then Doc Hanavar is right there, and then we got the man-eating plant dude, and then we got Tex Rex, and a few of the things. I'm gonna put some inflatables out. I'm gonna put some cobwebs around the fencing right here. But yeah, it's coming together a little bit, somewhat, because it's Halloween time. That's Brian for Spooky Layers up there. And I might make a new movie with Little B. I don't know yet. We'll see. All right, so this is kind of a night view. It's kind of rough, but this is how it's gonna be, kinda, until I bring out the big guns. Can't see them very well. I got to put some lighting on them. And then I got all these lit up over here. Skip from the front. All right, so she's got a little light there. I think I might keep that there. And Barry has one right there. But I'm gonna turn Barry on though when that time comes. Check him out. I like this groundbreaker one. Then I got that little guy right down there. Still got to add more lighting and things like that. Pretty cool though, huh? I got this tree. Ooh. And I shined the spotlight on Homeboy up there. Kind of changes colors. Nice. Purple. Damn, mosquitoes, man. Jeez Louise here in Texas. Pretty cool. And then Randall's got his little, what you call it? Everybody's looking at my yard. Yeah. Okay. So we got that going on. Pretty cool, huh? Dog over there ruining my video, barking. Watch. I like it when it turns purple though. Oh, we got green. Smells like a skunk. There, like that. I like that. And then we gotta get the fog. That's pretty cool, huh? Spooky skeletons. Alright. So anyways, Mr. Dark's gonna go right here. I'm gonna move him eventually over there. Grim is gonna go right here. Buzzsaw is gonna probably be right over here. And then Three-Faced Jester and Jack in the Box over here. So that should be pretty cool. But I'm not bringing those big guns out until later when that competition starts on Halloween night. All right, well there you go. Spooky laters.